Hello, my name is Elena Herrera, and the company that I will be covering is Apple Incorporated. To begin, I'd like to start with background of the industry. The industry is electronic equipment, and the effects of this industry are that technology is rapidly growing and advancing every year. This is very critical for Apple because it creates a fiercer competition, and it means that their products and their marketing strategies need to be that much more in tune with their target markets than anything. Target market for Apple is very wide ranged, and this is because they aim to market to teenagers, adults, college students, young adults, business people. They try to hit every target market, and one of the main ways that they reach their target markets are through their products, obviously. In the next slide, this one shows the different products that Apple provides. Teenagers are most likely going to be drawn more towards the Nano or the iTunes software and MacBook. Teenagers, as well as college students and universities, business people are actually very drawn towards the iPhones, iPad, MacBook. So the products range a wide variety of the target markets, and they reach and entice each market accordingly. For example, the iPod Nano was created specifically to target younger kids and children. The iPhone is targeted more towards business people and as well as adults. With the several products Apple has created, they are able to appeal to different parts of the widespread target market. The consumer product is a specialty product. Apple products are sought out with unique characteristics in their consumer's mind. Our brand, packaging, and labeling all have a set positioning in our customer's mind in comparison to our competition. The Apple symbol has become an icon, and the packaging and labeling brings a feeling of the technology advanced era. Price. Price here at Apple is a customer value based pricing because we know other products in our market are not as efficient or technologically advanced as ours. The price may be high, but the value of our product is unlike any other brand or product on the market. Our competition gets close to copying our brand ideas, but we always stay ahead of the game. We do use a market skimming pricing as well. And an example of this is when the iPhone comes out and the price is set at $599, and some odd months later we reduce the price for other models significantly. Our product quality and image makes spending $599 worth it. It's as simple as that. However, we do the market skimming so that we keep in mind those who cannot afford spending $599 on a phone. Another offer that is made by Apple is that we offer discounts for students, faculty, and staff when they are purchasing a new Mac. Currently, Apple is offering to put $200 towards a Mac computer for, as I stated, students, faculty, and staff. Place, we use one channel and two channel to distribute our product. For example, for channel 1, we sell our product directly to the consumer through our Apple stores. And we also sell our product to retailers where a consumer can then buy them from that product, and those retailers would be Verizon, AT&T, and now T-Mobile. Apple stores around the country have been proven once and for all that a targeted retail outlet designed to sell a line of products with a concise message is the key to success in the computer business. We also use selective distribution. Our product is being found in more and more stores each year. This is effective because it creates a combination of feelings for our consumer. The first being that they have access to the products, but in specific locations still. while this stage of distribution, however, also allows the consumer to still feel like he or she is in possession of a luxury item. However, it should be noted that over the years, our marketing distribution strategy has shifted from exclusive, and it looks as if it might be heading towards intensive distribution. For promotion, we use advertising and we use informative advertising. Most of our advertising is informative because we want to let our consumer know how user-friendly and advanced our product truly is. Personal selling is also used. With the release of new products and upgrades the company produces every few months or so, it's important for sales representatives in our Apple stores to stay abreast of the latest technologies entering the market. When our customers walk into an Apple store, we want them to feel as though our employees are capable of letting them know how to run and work their product efficiently so that there is no struggle with transferring over and learning new technology as it continues to. Although Apple does have great products, it's important we continue to press forward and continue to make things easier for our target market. And by this, I mean making our MacBook more efficient for the business user. That is one concern that I know that business people have towards the Mac, and this is just because the Mac was designed for graphic designers and musicians. However, we would be more efficient in drawing in the business person if we made our Word, Excel, PowerPoint more user-friendly in our products. According to CNBC News, after extensive research, it has been found that the cost of the iPhone 5S cost the company around $218. This product's price ranges from $649 to $849 without a contract. This is a huge margin that Apple is making, and promotions could be offered to draw in those who can't afford such an expensive phone, but still have access to purchasing a quality phone, music player, or computer. The use of multiple brand partners can begin to turn into a competition nightmare, considering some of the brands like Google and Microsoft are also in the middle of advancing their product lines. And what I mean by this is Apple using Google and Microsoft within their product as software. It might be a good idea to start branching off on our own in order to avoid conflict. And another thing to keep in mind is product life cycle for the electronic industry rapidly moves through the phases. And I recommend the company always be on the lookout of the next step in technology and keep a close eye onto what would be the best trend to set next.